Many people ask, how is a power of attorney different for a family that's got sophisticated estate planning needs rather than a family that just uses very basic estate planning? Well, first, let's revisit the concept of what a power of attorney is. A power of attorney is where often a husband or wife will name one another back and forth. So if they become incapacitated, the other spouse can handle their affairs. And lots of times, even very sophisticated people come in and say, oh, I don't need that. My wife can handle everything, or my husband can handle everything. Not true. If you have a 401k, an IRA, a pension, a profit-sharing plan, a piece of real estate owned in your own name or jointly with your spouse, you cannot handle that if the spouse is incapacitated. You'd have to go to court, get appointed as a guardian, get a judge to confirm everything you want to do. So let's put it this way. Having a good durable power of attorney is important whether you're doing sophisticated estate planning or basic estate planning. The difference is this. When we do powers of attorney in very sophisticated estate planning, we will often give the husband or wife or one or more of the children, or some neutral third party, the power in the event you're incapacitated to continue to do very sophisticated estate planning. We give them the power to make annual gifts to children and grandchildren and others. We might give them the power to create trusts and move larger sums of money out to protect them. We might give them the power to operate or to clarify who in the family can operate a closely held family business. The thing is, a power of attorney, while many people think of it as a form or a very simple document, can and should be customized for a family that needs very sophisticated estate planning. So any family that has a closely held business, an expensive home, or a vacation home, you would need a completely different kind of durable power of attorney than someone doing very, very simple powers. You might also want to include, for example, the power to engage in types of investments that would be quite unusual, or to maintain assets where a family member acting as your fiduciary, acting as your agent, acting under your power of attorney might otherwise have to sell them. There's all sorts of issues that sophisticated families face that people using basic estate planning don't. Having a durable power of attorney is important for everybody. Having these extra powers should be considered and carefully considered whenever you've got these sophisticated needs. Thank you. If you liked that video, if you enjoyed it, if you found value in it, if it gave you information you didn't know about before, then you're going to want to see the other videos. We have some of the most frequently asked questions that clients ask lawyers on the topic of sophisticated estate planning and estate planning for families that have family-owned businesses and family-owned vacation homes. If you'd like a lot more, including the questions that you should be asking and maybe don't even know to ask, but that we as lawyers know you should be asking, then just sign up, click on the link below, and we're going to send you a ton more videos. Frequently asked questions that you need to know the answers to succeed as a family in your sophisticated estate planning. And maybe more importantly, the should ask questions, the questions you don't even know that you should be asking. Thanks again. Click on that link and enjoy.